Zoom, a popular service for video conferences, meetings, webinars, and screen sharing, can accumulate service files over time, which may slow down your Mac. If you no longer need Zoom, this video will guide you on how to remove it completely. The easiest way to uninstall any unnecessary app from Mac, including Zoom, is to use App Cleaner and Uninstaller. This unique application allows you to uninstall any program along with all its extra files. To remove Zoom from your Mac, follow the steps provided below. Download and launch App Cleaner and Uninstaller. Select Zoom from the list of applications. Click the Uninstall button to remove Zoom completely. Confirm the uninstallation. Once you complete these steps, Zoom will be uninstalled, and all of its service files will also disappear from your Mac. App Cleaner and Uninstaller automatically clean your Mac of any leftovers, so you don't need to waste your time doing it manually. This straightforward removal guide is universal, so you can use it whenever you need it and for any application you want to remove.